Okay, this morning I made shrimp and grits. These are the ingredients you will need. So all this stuff right here. So your seasoning, your bacon, your grits, your shrimp. Chop your bacon up, put it in the skillet, cook it down to your liking. I don't like my bacon extra hard. Season your shrimp with your black pepper, your spice and herb seasoning, your Cajun seasoning, whatever seasoning you want to use. And you also got to add, well, I like to add some worcestershire sauce, okay? That's how I say it, worcestershire. You're going to add some of that. It's going to enhance the flavor. That's why I like it. I recommend it. So you're going to add a little bit of that in there. Boom, boom, bam. Okay. Mix that motherfucker up. Mix it up. And then now, once your water comes to a boil, I have 2 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of regular water, and 1 cup of grits in there. Mix it up. Continue to mix because you do not want your grits to freaking clump up. Okay? Then you're going to turn down your freaking heat so everything can just cook at a nice little rate. Okay? Now, add your seasonings in there, whatever seasoning you want to add. I have like a little bit of salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning, spice, and herb in there. Okay? Mix it up. Now, this is optional as well. Your cheese, mozzarella, Colby, and Monterey Jack, mild cheddar. You can add Parmesan if you want to. I do sometimes. I didn't have none. Boom. Bacon done. Add some more cheese and seasoning to your grits. Taste it as you go to make sure that's exactly how you want it. And you're going to go ahead and add you some butter to your grits too. Okay? Nobody want no stiff-ass grits, baby. I don't. You might. I don't. So after that, you're going to let that do its thing. Boom. Keep the same grease from the bacon. There you go with the shrimp, little butter, and we are done, y'all. Delicious.